Good afternoon. I'm John Carter with Wixon Jewelers, and welcome back to 1 Minute Watch, where we showcase cool and collectible watches in under 60 seconds. Today, we will showcase a 1996 Rolex GMT-Master II, reference number 16710. Developed in the 1950s as a tool watch for airline pilots, the Rolex GMT Master has evolved into an icon in the world of watchmaking. The reference 16710 was produced from 1989 until 2007 and represents the GMT Master II's transition into the 21st century. Replacing its predecessor, the reference 16760, nicknamed the Fat Lady, these new models featured a new slimmer case thanks to a thinner movement, the caliber 3185. The reference 16710 was available with 3 different bezel configurations: a solid black bezel, a red and blue Pepsi bezel, or the red and black Coke bezel, which is seen on this example. Rolex made several incremental changes to the 16710, including its luminescent material. This particular model uses tritium for the lume, as indicated by the T on the dial. These earlier tritium dials will continue to develop patina and character as they age over time. Alright folks, well, it looks like that's all the time that we have for today. Hopefully you've enjoyed the information on the Rolex GMT Master II. If I've left out anything special, please leave it in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more 1 Minute Watch reviews.